Most IELTS students read the question and start writing. That's why most stay stuck at band 6.5. Can you outsmart the examiner? Let's play. Your first challenge is coming up. Here comes Miss Whisker with a real IELTS prompt. What is it really asking you? You've got 5 seconds. Think carefully. All right then, I'll give you one more second to rethink your answer before we move on. If you chose B, you're right. The others are traps. Did you get it right? Great job. That's 1 point for you. Keep track of your total. You've got up to 3 points to collect in this challenge. Let's take a closer look at how a band 6.5 answer stacks up against a band 8. This is how a band 6.5 might deconstruct the essay. Environmental problems are very dangerous. Governments and companies should do something. This is vague and off-topic. This is how a band 8 might analyze the question. While environmental issues are pressing, this essay evaluates who should bear the cost, governments or corporations. This is clear, focused, and relevant. The band 8 response stands out for its clarity, stays fully relevant to the task, and maintains strong focus throughout without drifting off topic. Before writing, ask yourself, 1. What's the real issue? 2. What exactly am I being asked to do? 3. What do I really think? Thumbs up if you're ready to crush the second round. Let's do this. Here comes Professor Woof with the second prompt. Hit pause and read it carefully. You've got 5 seconds. Think carefully. One last bonus second to get it right and earn another point. Time's up, buddy. Here comes the result. Option C is the correct answer. The rest were just traps. I'm certain you got it right this time, buddy. One more point for you. Keep track of your score. Time to break down the difference between a band 6.5 and a band 8 response. Band 8 response is while parenting is vital, schools should not be responsible for teaching it, as it is best learned through family experience. Band 6.5 response is being a good parent is important, and schools teach life skills. Miss Whisker and Mr. Woof have agreed to give you one more bonus prompt, just because you're doing great. Drum roll, please. Here comes your final prompt. Hit pause and think it through. One possible answer might be, living alone is becoming popular, and this is changing how people think. Now spot the weakness. What exactly is vague in this sentence? All right, your turn. Fix this vague answer in the comments, and if you caught the weakness, boom, add a +1. What's your final score out of 3?